Can you put the pig in the barn? Hi, I'm Cheryl Angnardo, and I'm a special needs teacher at Rolling Green Elementary School. He's wearing red just like you. I think of these kids as family. Count with me. 1, 2. Every one of them is so special in their own way. Tell me what number that is? 5. And they all learn differently. I focus in on what makes them learn, what motivates them, and I think that's a gift that I have. 1. I'm very, very proud of the job that we do in our classroom. I know that I make a difference. It's time to go outside. They know when you love and care about them, and I know that these kids know I love them.
Ms. Angnardo, you are this week's Thank a Teacher winner.
The work you do with these kids is beyond amazing. The progress I've seen, it's you.
I can feel the sincerity, feel the love, the true love that you have for the children, but equally as important that they have for you.
As we approach the holidays, I'm just so grateful for all of the children in my classroom and all the people that I work with at my school. And happy holidays to everyone in the Palm Beach County School District.
Hey Palm Beach County, who will you nominate next?